I've been exploring the Thumbtack mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. Thumbtack is a business app designed for service providers who want to find local clients and manage incoming work from their phone or tablet. It's mainly aimed at home service pros such as cleaners, movers, contractors, and similar trades who are looking for a steady stream of leads rather than building everything from scratch through word of mouth alone. The idea is to give professionals a centralized place to get discovered, quote jobs, and organize their schedules in a more predictable way than relying on random inquiries or occasional referrals. At its core, the app functions as a matching platform between customers who have a project and professionals who can complete it. When customers in your area search for help, Thumbtack can show your profile and connect you with those leads, so you're spending less time hunting for work and more time actually doing jobs. The app emphasizes high-quality home care jobs, listing common categories like house cleaning, moving, and general contracting, which makes it especially useful for people in those lines of work. For many pros, this creates a convenient funnel of opportunities they might not reach through their own marketing alone. However, it's not without flaws, and one of the most commonly discussed issues is the cost structure around paying for leads. Some reviewers point out that you have to pay for leads in order to appear in searches and interact with potential customers, even though not every lead turns into a paying job. That means you can end up spending money on inquiries that never convert, which can feel wasteful if your close rate is low or if customers change their minds. For newer pros or those with tighter budgets, this model can create stress because there's an upfront cost with no guaranteed return. Overall, Thumbtack is a solid choice if you value a steady pipeline of potential clients and like the idea of managing leads, schedules, and integrations from one place. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.